Hello and welcome to ICT Training Nepal. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel because this is the Laravel series of making the what today we are going to make. So we are going to make the Laravel e-commerce website from the scratch. Okay, so first of all, let's go towards the Laravel. So here the Laravel 7 and the Laravel 7 has been already introduced, and we are going to make the Laravel e-commerce website or the e-commerce website from the Laravel through the entire series. So this is the first part of the series, and in the first part or in this episode 1 series, what we are going to make is we are going to set up all the things we need to add before starting the Laravel. Okay, so we need to set up all the environment for the Laravel. So let's talk about the first of all. So first of all, if you haven't gone through this Laravel documentation, you can just go to the Laravel docs or you can go to the laravel.com docs and the release, and you can go here, and I'll also give you the link below. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to see this. Okay, this has been done. Okay, we have seen this. So let's go towards the release note and let's go towards the getting started and the installation process. Okay, so here the installation process, you can go through it. So one thing, I will come back to this installation section, and before that, what we are going to add on this section is for the Laravel e-commerce. First of all, we are going to choose one template. Okay, so I am going to make the website, the e-commerce website from the template, so it will be easy for us. So let's talk about the admin template first of all. So for the admin template, I am going to use this one. This is called Gentlelia Elena. So this is the admin template, and this is the free of course. So we are going to use this, and for that I'll give you the link here. So for that I'll give you the link here. You can just go to this link and you will just go and download zip. Okay, so I have already downloaded it. If I hadn't downloaded it, okay, so let's download it first of all. So I'm going to download this zip first of all. So okay, the download sections, it is downloading. So the other thing what I am going to make sure to all of you is the front end. So for the front end, what I am going to use is the free template. So this is called the Timezone template of the Lib. So let's preview it. So this is the preview. So this is the preview section. So I will also give the link of this template in my video down. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe, because this is just the setting up section, and this is just the episode 1, and the more episode will come soon, and I will be uploading the more episode. So let's go towards this. Okay, so this one we are going to use this one template, and we're gonna make like after this course I will make sure that you'll all know the basic of the e-commerce, and you'll all know that how to make the e-commerce from Laravel 7. So let's go through it. Let's go through all the errors. Let's go from the scratch. So this one, so please download it. You can download it from this lib template Timezone, or you can just do it here. You can just do it, click on the download section. So I have already downloaded it. So here you can see that I have already downloaded Timezone. So let's go through the other things. Okay, so these things also have been done. So the other thing you want to do is you want to just download the Xampp. Okay, so I'll also give this link here. You can download. If you have the Linux, you can download from here. If you have the Mac, you can download from here, and if you have the Windows, you can download from here. Just click on the link and go through the installation process. Okay, so the other thing is I have already downloaded it. You can just see here, and I'm going to open this control panel. Okay, so the control panel has been opened. So let's have some, like, let's go here, let's go to the localhost, let's go to the localhost phpMyAdmin. So okay, so yeah, oh sorry, I think there may be somewhere it hadn't been opened. So we will go through each of like error. Okay, I have already said it, we will go through each of the errors also. So let's just refresh it. So I think it maybe there will some, so I don't think there will be the error, but let's go what error is going on here. Let's okay, so my this one is a little slow. Okay, so okay, I have to quit one, and the another I don't have to quit the other one. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel, because that's the year I'm coming from. Okay, so my poor laptop. Okay, so okay, these things will gonna make me angry. Okay, so here look at this. So if you will download it and you will just start it. Okay, so you just start it at the first time, and from the second time you can just config, and you will do like auto start of the module Apache MySQL, and it will start. Okay, and then just save. Okay, so okay, here after you install the Xampp, you will go through this, and you will go through the phpMyAdmin. So in phpMyAdmin, let's make one for the setup. Let's make one database. Like, let's make the database called the e-commerce. Okay, so okay, what's e-commerce. Okay, this has been done, and let's make it like quotation and the create. Okay, so database had been created successfully. So the database name is what's e-commerce. Okay, what's e-commerce. Okay, the database name is what's e-commerce, and we're gonna use this database for that thing. So this has been done. So the other thing what I'm going to make sure is, after this has been done, after the Xampp has been downloaded, and after the Xampp has been installed, let's go to the Timezone. So after this has been downloaded, so you will get this through the there is this sections. So you will go through this, and you can go the zip file. Okay, so this zip file, the 2 zip file has been already downloaded, and the other thing is also downloaded. So this has been also downloaded, and the GitHub, this file is also downloaded. And then let's go for the installation. So for the installation, it will be very easy, because I have already told you in my other Laravel video how to install the Laravel in the easy way. You can just use the PHP Storm for the installation, and you can check out my other videos also, and there I have mentioned how to use it. So in the other way, you can just install from here also, but in here I will do from scratch, because it doesn't matter you have watched the other videos or not. But first of all, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos, because this is just the introduction video, this is just the setting of the environment videos, and the other thing will come after that, episode 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll go on with the episode. Because in one video, if I will teach how to do it, and the video will be very long, and you will be bored, and you don't want to eat everything in one day. Okay, so you have to be patient for this. So this has been done. Okay, so I think I had given the main lectures for that. So let's this has been done. Okay, let's go to the installation part, and for the before the installation, just specify where you want to do it. So for me, I have done it to my Xampp folder, htdocs, and then I have made one here called the e-commerce website. Okay, so this has been made. So this is the place where I will gonna make my Laravel application. So if you want to make here, you can just go to Xampp htdocs folders, and you can make it any by giving any name, but you can make anywhere. Okay, so it's not like you have to make it on the same Xampp htdocs folder, so you can make it anywhere. So let's go and make the Laravel application. And also before that, if you have not done the Git, or if you have not gone through the Git, so you just go here Git, and you can just download the Git. Okay, so you can just go to the download sections, and you can just go to the download bottom. Okay, and the Git will download in your Windows or in your Mac or in your Linux. Okay, so after downloading the Git, what you can do is you can just go to the Git bash here. So you can just go to the Git bash here, and then what will happen is just go here and Git bash here. Okay, so the Git bash will open. So if you haven't downloaded the Git, and you haven't downloaded this and don't know how to do it, then you can just go through the command line also, and anywhere you want to do it, you can do it. So this has been opened. Okay, so this thing has been opened and everything is ready and for the installation, but one thing is not ready for the installation. So if you want to guess is, if you have experience in Laravel before, then you can guess it. What is missing is the composer. Okay, so if you are doing the first time Laravel project, so you must have the composer. Okay, so for the composer, what you're gonna do is you can just go to the composer, this sections also, you can just go to here also and download it, composer for PHP, and you can just download and run composer setup. Okay, so it will be easy for you to install it, and the command line is here, but you can get the setup file, so you can download it, and it will automatically set up the path environment also. So for you can do it by going the get composer. Okay, so this link also, I will be putting this link also. So I have already downloaded the composer, so for me it will be easy. So if you haven't downloaded it, you have to download it. Okay, so it will be good to download it, because without composer it will be hard. Okay, so all the packages will be in the composer, so you have to download it. So let's go to the first thing. So the first thing is, what we're gonna do it, we just copy this composer, create project, preferred dict, Laravel. So in this code, what will happen is you are going to copy the project. Call the Laravel from the package. Okay, so it will call from the package. Okay, so you can just go here, Laravel packagist or Git. So here you will find that Laravel/Laravel. So these things. Okay, so Laravel/Laravels. So it is calling from this one packagist, and just this is the 7.12 version. So this is now in this time. So this is the version is 7.12. okay, so these things I just want to make sure that this is we are doing everything from the scratch, so that I will make you clear that what this code means. Okay, so this codes mean they are going to grab it from the packagist. okay, so in the terminal you will just do it. So after that, this is the name of the package and this is the name of the folder, or this is your awesome e-commerce, or this is your awesome any type of application names. You can give it anything. First of all, for me, so I'm going to copy it just here and I'm going to paste it here. I will show you why, because and I will make it like e-commerce project. okay, so okay, no e-commerce project, I want to make it called learn e-commerce. okay, done. So I will just copy it. okay, I'll just copy it, and then what I'm gonna do is I'll just paste it here. okay, so this is the path I am going to use in the D drive Xampp htdocs in the folder called e-commerce website. I will just gonna paste it. okay, and I'll just enter it. okay, so sometimes what will happen is if we will paste here, then sometimes it will automatically just press enter and will not getting to modify this one section. So I have done this. So we will we have to be patient on this one. So it depends on your internet. It depends on internet. So oh my god, so I think the internet is a little slow here, so let's wait. So it took a little time for me, so that I have paused the video and then this has been done. So what happened is we have done it. So these things had been installed completely successfully. So after installing, you can see these things. So this has been, everything has been set up successfully. You will get here, so that it will run smoothly. So if there will be some error encounters while doing that thing, while you are installing the Laravel, it may be due to the internet fluctuation, and for that what we have to do is you have to just delete the folder and you have to do it again. okay, so this thing has been done. So the other thing I want to make sure to set up the environment is like what you have to do is you just have to go where you have downloaded, like where you have downloaded it. Where do you have downloaded where you have downloaded that two things. So this admin template here, I will just copy it. okay, I'll just copy it from here and I'll just paste it in my like this one. okay, I'll just paste it in my okay, so I have pasted this Gentile master and I'll just extract here. okay, it has been extracting. The other thing is I have to do like the other one too. So I will like go here time zone also. So the time zone also I will that copy. So these time zones means this is not like actually a time zone, it is the template. So I'll just paste like extract to time zone. okay, so So the extraction had been done here, so you can just go through this time zone and you can just see the main page. Okay, so there is just thank you message. We'll go to the index page, like I just forgot that. Okay, so it is up and running. This is just the HTML template file. Okay, so this has been done. Okay, so the other thing I want to make sure that the other template, which is called the Xampp master, which is this one. Okay, for this one I'll just see the build one. Okay, they are not in the production one. Okay, and I'll just see the index here. Okay, so this is also up and running. Oh, it is fast. Okay, it is very fast. Okay, wow, it is fast. So these things also had been copied, and okay, it is also okay. This, so everything is okay. So what I am going to do it, like I'm going to make sure this one, I'm going to do is like I'm going to copy this one, this build sections, and the other thing is the SRC. Okay, in SRC there is nothing. Vendors, let's see the vendors. Okay, we have to also copy this vendor also. So I am going to just copy these all the things I have just copied here. Okay, so and then what I am going to do is I am going to go to the Learn e-commerce, and here you will see the app, bootstrap, config, database, public, resource, route, storage, test, vendor folder. Okay, so I'll go to the resource, sorry, not resource one, I'll go to the public folder, and what I will do is I'll just do like I'll just make one folder called backend. Okay, admin backend, and just paste here everything. So I'm going to paste everything here so that it will be easy for me to find. So another folder I am going to make is like in the public, also in the public front end. Okay, so and in front end I'm going to copy this time zone, everything. Okay, so not that this docs one, so this contact processes I don't need it. Okay, because I am going to contact not through the, so I need this readme also, so I am going to copy this one, or you can just copy everything. Okay, if you want to. For me, I am not copying. So let's go to the app, sorry, not app, let's go to the public folder. Sometimes I forgot. Okay, so it has been done. Okay, so this is also done here. So what we have done is we have copied everything. Okay, so we have copied, the first thing is we have copied this one, Gentile master, this everything we have copied from here. So the other thing what we have copied is like, okay, this time zone. Okay, we have copied to the Learn e-commerce, and here in the public one. Okay, where the public, okay, here, and made the front end and then copied this. Okay, so let's go and see this admin background, and let's go and see this production one. Sometimes what happens is takes like there will be some error because something had not been copied, but it had been copied easily. Okay, so these things has been copied. Okay, done. Okay, so this is also done, and what I'm going to do is now, okay, this is also done. So the other thing what you want to do is like, if you have the PHP Storm, which is the paid one, and if you have a PHP Storm, you can use PHP Storm, but I'm going to use the VS Code, okay, IDE. So I'm going to use the IDE called the VS Code. It is free, so I am not promoting the VS Code, okay, because it is free. I am going to use it. So I have already downloaded the VS Code, the stable version for Windows. So if you are going to download it, or if you have only downloaded it, then it's okay. If you haven't downloaded it, you can just download the stable version, or for the other platform you can just download for the Linux, for the Mac. Okay, so I have already downloaded it, so I'll open it. Okay, I'll open it and show you the VS Code. After you download the VS Code, you will go through the open the VS Code here, or from you can just type here VS Code, and you will just know that best match, and it will show you. So you open the code, and what will happen is it will show the start new folder what you wanna go. So I just want to cut this, and I am just going to do the open folder. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to like see where is my code, like, okay, there's a lot of things. So e-commerce, okay, so e-commerce website. So I'm going to open it from the learn e-commerce. Okay, so select the folder. Okay, so I have selected the folder, and it will show here. So if you are confused, you can just do it like what I have done. Just open the file and then go to the open folder, and where is your that folder is located which you have just made, you just open this. Okay, so the thing is, if you haven't done these things, you just follow me. Okay, please follow me, because if you follow me you will know more. Okay, so please follow along with me. And we have just set up the environment, and the last things I want to do is just go to the env file, and here is the thing that db database, the database which we have made. Okay, go to the env file and the database we have made, and just say it like which you have made the database previously. So please follow along with me. If you are confused, please follow along with me. Okay, so that you will not be confused. What's e-commerce? Okay, so what's e-commerce? Okay, WATCH, what's e-commerce? Okay, so here the database name I'm gonna make it like what's e-commerce. So the db username means the first of all, if you haven't given the username, you have just installed the Xampp, the username will be root and the password will be nothing. Okay, so if you haven't specified any password, the password you can just put it blank. Okay, so this has been saved, and I'm gonna cut it. So I'm gonna show you something in the VS Code. Okay, so which I have already show you in my previous Laravel videos, and if you are new on this video, you can just go to the you can just go to here extension, and for Laravel you can just type Laravel and you can just enter it. And what will happen is, if your internet is not slow, and in my case I think the internet is slow here. Okay, so okay, come on Laravel. Okay, so what will happen is, go to the extension and the Laravel. Okay, then what will happen is, it will connect to the extension marketplace, and you can just do it easily. Okay, just I don't want to do it. Just for example, if okay, come on internet, what you can do is you can just type the Laravel. Okay, the extension cannot be in Mac. Well, let's check the internet if it is running or not. Okay, Google, come on. Okay, I think my internet is not running. So again, if you can just click here if your internet is, and it will show. So it hasn't been shown. So in the next video I will show you how to go through install the extension. Okay, so don't worry for that, and you can also watch my previous video also. What will happen is it will show you like this one, this Angular snapshot. Okay, like this. Okay, so and what will happen is you have to just uninstall. Okay, so you have to just uninstall it. Okay, so you have to just like the uninstall it. Okay, so sorry, not uninstall, you have to just install it. Okay, so because of the internet is not running well, so it hasn't been shown. So what you have to do is you will go to the extension one, you will search one Laravel, and you will just see the marketplace here, Laravel 5 snapshot and other things, and you just have to do it is like you have to install it. Okay, so let's go towards this one. So everything has been done for now, and we have set up the environment. So what you have to do is, or what I'm going to do is like we have to just open a terminal. You can open a terminal from here. Okay, open new terminal, and what we have to do is like php artisan serve. Okay, so this is the first step. We have done everything, we have set up all the environment, and you can just click here. You can just click here to follow the link, or you can just copy. You can just copy this link. Okay, this came out. So let's see. Okay, so the Laravel 7 up and running. We have set up all the environment, and in the next video we will go through like making the front end, or maybe we will go through the setting up the other things like the CRUD functions. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel for my next episode to see the next video. And on this Laravel e-commerce series, I will teach you all the things from scratch, that how to make the e-commerce from Laravel 7 using like some kind of using the free template from the back end or from the front end. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe the channel, through which you can get the wonderful video of making the Laravel 7 e-commerce website. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next episode. Thank you. And at last I want to say that if you have any type of question, you can just comment it, through which I can solve it. If you have any type of questions up to now, I can solve it, and all of the links I am giving, all other links in the below section, so you can just go through the links and you can download those things for the setting up the environment. So thank you for so much for today, and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you so much.